Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of 7x squared plus 2 over x to the power of 2 over 3 dx. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. First, we need to divide this integral into two integrals. The first one, we have 7 multiplied with the integral of x squared over x to the power of 2 over 3. And the second one, number 2, we put the x in here and we got about the x over x to the power of 2 over 3. Next, for this one, we got about x to the power of 2 minus 2 over 3. And this one, we got about x to the power of negative 2 over 3 dx. For this one, we use number 2 minus 2 over 3. You got about 4 over 3. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of x to the power of 4 over 3, you got about 4 over 3 plus 1 over 4 over 3 plus 1. For this one, you got about negative 2 over 3 plus 1 over negative 2 over 3 plus 1. So we sum the number in here. And you got about 7 over 3. This one you got about 7 over 3. This one you got about 1 over 3. We have 7 that will cancel, so you got about number 3 in here. This one you got 1 over 3, and number 2 you got about number 6. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.